Do you find yourself worrying too much about things that are out of your control? Do you feel that worrying has taken control of your life and makes it difficult to focus on anything else? You're not alone. In this video, we will explore how to take control of your thoughts and regain control of your life by breaking the cycle of over-worrying. Side effects of over-worrying. Over-worrying can have a detrimental effect on our mental and physical health. It can lead to anxiety, stress, and depression, which can cause insomnia, fatigue, headaches, digestive problems, muscle tension, and other physical problems. It can also affect our relationships with loved ones, as people who worry excessively can become overly critical and difficult to be around. Identifying your triggers. The first step in taking control of your worry is learning to recognize what triggers it. We all have different triggers for our worry, and identifying them is the first step towards learning how to manage them. Challenging negative thinking patterns. Once you have identified what triggers your over-worrying, the next step is to challenge any negative thinking patterns associated with those triggers. This means replacing your negative thoughts with positive ones and actively reframing situations in order to see them in a more optimistic light. Attempting to find solutions. When worry becomes overwhelming, it can be easy to become stuck in a cycle of rumination, but instead try to look for solutions. Instead of allowing yourself to spiral into anxious thoughts, take some time to brainstorm potential solutions and then act on them. Practicing mindfulness and other relaxation techniques. Mindfulness is an effective tool that can help manage stress, anxiety, and over-worrying. By focusing on the present moment and observing your thoughts without judgment, you can learn how better to control them. Other relaxation techniques such as deep breathing exercises, yoga, and meditation can also be helpful in managing worry. Learning how to let go. In order to stop worrying too much about things that are out of your control, it's important to learn how to let go. This means learning how to accept uncertainty and not get bogged down by trying to anticipate every possible outcome. It can be hard to do, but it is essential in order to break the cycle of over-worrying. Seeking professional help. If your worrying becomes too overwhelming and is impacting your life, it may be time to seek out professional help. There are many different types of therapy available that can help you manage and reduce your worry so that it no longer has a negative effect on your life. Learning relaxation techniques. Finally, one of the key components of managing over-worrying is learning relaxation techniques such as deep breathing or progressive muscle relaxation. These techniques help relax both the body and mind and can provide an effective distraction from anxious thoughts or worries. Additionally, regular exercise has been proven to reduce stress levels and improve overall mental health, so try getting into a regular workout routine. Conclusion. Over-worrying can be an incredibly draining experience, but there are ways to take control back. By recognizing what triggers our worry, challenging any negative thinking patterns associated with it, and utilizing relaxation techniques, we can learn how to manage our worries more effectively and get back into control. So don't let over-worrying hold you back. Start taking steps today towards mastering your worries.